everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm gonna do a fireball explosion kind of idea today, and hopefully it'll turn out more like fireworks. I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch art panel. I have it primed in gesso. I did a little video on that, and I will link that in the description if you want to watch it. And I also have a link there for how I mix my paint. I will put all the names of the paints and colors I'm using in the description as well. I kind of went crazy. Hopefully it's not too much, but we'll see. All right, so I have a spinner. I'm going to spin it out in the end. And these art panels are amazing because they fit perfectly on that. I'm going to do black in between each layer, but just like a tiny bit, and the colors will be a big.